Summary trial. A summary trial is a special and simplified form of criminal trial designed for the speedy disposal of minor and less serious offenses. In such trials, the procedure is less formal, the record of proceedings is maintained in a concise form, and the case is disposed of expeditiously. The purpose of introducing summary trials is to reduce delays in the administration of justice and to ensure that minor offenses are not kept pending for long periods. The expression summary means brief or concise. Accordingly, in summary trial, the court follows a shortened procedure while still ensuring that the fundamental principles of natural justice and fair trials are observed. Summary trials are particularly useful in dealing with petty offenses where a full fledged warrant trial or summons trial would consume disproportionate time and resources. Legal provisions. The provisions relating to summary trials are contained in Section 283 to 288 of BNSS 2023, which is corresponding to Section 260 to 265 of the CRPC 1973. These sections specify the courts empowered to try cases summarily, the procedure to be followed, the manner of recording evidence and judgment. Object of summary trial. The main objectives of summary trials are to ensure speedy disposal of minor criminal cases, to reduce the burden on criminal courts, to save judicial time and expenses, to provide quick justice to litigants, to prevent unnecessary delay in criminal proceedings. The principle underlying summary trials is reflected in the well known legal maxim justice delayed is justice denied. Essential features of summary trial. Speedy disposal of cases. The primary feature of a summary trial is the quick disposal of cases. The procedure is simplified to avoid unnecessary delay, applicable to minor offenses. Only petty and less serious offenses can be tried summarily. Serious and complicated offenses are generally tried as summons cases or warrant cases. Simplified procedure. The code follows a simplified procedure compared to ordinary criminal trials. Formalities are reduced to ensure efficiency without compromising fairness. Concise record of proceedings. Instead of recording detailed evidence and proceedings, the magistrate maintains only a brief and concise record as prescribed by law. Limited punishment. The power of magistrate to impose punishment in a summary trial is subject to statutory limitations prescribed under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Procedure of summary trial. In a summary trial, the magistrate records the substance of the evidence rather than the entire testimony of the witnesses. The proceedings are conducted in a simplified manner while ensuring that the accused is informed of the accusation and is given an opportunity to defend himself. After considering the evidence and hearing the parties, the magistrate pronounces judgment. The judgment itself is also recorded in a brief form as prescribed by law. Offenses triable summarily. Under Section 283 of BNSS 2023, certain categories of offenses may be tried summarily. Generally, these include petty offenses punishable with comparatively lighter punishments. However, offenses involving complex questions of fact or law are ordinarily excluded from summary trial and are tried through the regular procedure. Case law. नितिन भाई सहवाती लाल शाह वर्सेस मनु भाई मंजी भाई पंचाल 2011 9 SCC 638. The Supreme Court emphasized that although summary trials follow a simplified procedure, the essential requirements of a fair trial must always be observed. The rights of the accused cannot be sacrificed merely for the sake of speedy disposal. Mehsana Nagrik Sahkari Bank Limited versus Siriji Cab Co. Private Limited 2014 to SCC 375. The Supreme Court observed that summary procedures are intended to ensure quick and efficient disposal of cases while maintaining fairness and justice. Importance or significance. Summary trials play an important role in the criminal justice system because they reduce the backlog of cases, promote speedy justice, save judicial resources, reduce litigation expenses, ensure efficient administration of justice, provide timely relief in minor criminal matters. In a country where courts handle a large volume of cases, summary trials serves as an effective mechanism for ensuring prompt disposal of less serious offenses. Conclusion. A summary trial is a simplified and expedited form of criminal trial provided under sections 283 to 288 of BNSS 2023. It is intended for the speedy disposal of petty offenses through a less formal procedure while preserving the essential safeguards of a fair trial. By reducing delay and judicial burden, summary trials contribute significantly to the effective administration of criminal justice.